it Monday today?
Oh yeah, it's Monday. It's Mortgage Monday again.
It's Mortgage Monday as opposed to Matic Monday. Yeah, we bring fun into Mondays,
There
don't
you
we?
go.
All right. Hey everyone, it's Uzi Husain with the HT Orlando here at Keller Williams at the Parks, along with my favorite lender.
It's Shaheen with Christensen Financial.
And today we have a really fun topic that, well, I shouldn't say fun, but a really important topic that Shaheen is
Could
going
be
to talk
fun, too.
about. It can be
Yeah.
fun. Fun for someone, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely. All right,
It is.
without further ado, today's topic
Is down payment assistance programs.
all right. So, Shaheen, what exactly is a down payment assistance program?
Okay, so for our serious buyers who have good credit and they have the income, they really want to buy a house, but they're short on funds. Now we can help them with different down payment assistance programs that we do. For example, the most popular one is the Florida Bond Program, where they can get $7,500 towards their down payment. We also work with the local counties, such as Orange County has their own down payment program. You can get $10,000, $15,000, and all the way up to $30,000, depending on your income and tiers. So we work with those. Then we also have grant programs. There's FHA grant programs where you can get 2 and 4% of the purchase price as a grant. So a combination of these programs helps a lot of buyers get into the house and with minimum costs and upfront down payments.
That's awesome. Quick question for you, Shaheen. What if I've purchased a home before? Is this a program only for first-time home buyers, or can someone who maybe have had a house, no longer has a house, also utilize this program?
Good question. There's different ones for that. Some programs you need to be a first-time home buyer. For some programs, if you hadn't owned your own home for at least 3 years, then you're considered a first-time home buyer again.
Fabulous.
And then we have another program where you don't have to be a first-time home buyer.
Excellent.
You can still utilize those funds.
That's really helpful.
Yes.
Awesome. And they can contact you
Of course.
below?
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you, Shaheen.
Thank you.